Hello children, welcome back to the second class of your cursive writing of standard 2. Here we are dealing again with the second part of your cursive writing. First most we have dealt with 8 words. I hope you have remember April, Ajay, bat, apple, at, cake, child and all. Now this is your second page of the worksheet and here you have again 8 set of second set of 8 words and they are chair, Delhi, chair, Delhi, deer, den, eagle, bear, beach and brain. So these are small little words starting with C, D and V. So you need to know it's just one letter. There's just one letter with capital, that is D. So you need to know what is the formation of D. So the first one is chair. Now repeat the spelling after me. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Let's see how to write chair. As I've said, we have again 4 lines starting with a red line, yellow line, blue line and ending up with a 4th line that is green in color. So, we are beginning from the 3rd line. Start from the blue line, go up to the yellow, Start from the blue line, go up to the yellow line, come back to the blue, go up, make the loop of H, come down to the blue, go up again and there's your H. Now for A, go up to the yellow line, come down, again go up, there's your I and make the loop of R and put the dot for I. And here is the word chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Your second word is Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. This particular word doesn't start from the 3rd line. It starts from the 1st line. It doesn't touch the 1st line. You have to begin the word capital D from the down portion of the 1st line, that is from here. Can you see the dot where I've placed here? I'll show you a bigger version. See, it is from this portion that you have to start writing the capital letter D and it shouldn't touch the 1st line because as the D, the formation of the capital D is complete, it will touch the 1st line. So the starting line shouldn't touch the 1st line. Just below the line you can start the formation of D. So just below the 1st line, all the letters should be slanting as I said before. Come down, make a loop in the 3rd line and go up and there is your D. I'll show it once more. Starting from the below of the 1st line, come down to the blue, make a loop, go up and there is your D. And again, the next word for in Delhi, the next letter in the word Delhi is E. So we are starting E from the blue line. E, L touching the red line, coming back to the blue line, again touching the red line, coming to the blue, H, I, Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. Next you have deer. D-E-E-R, deer. In the worksheet it is printed as capital letters, so I am going with the capital because when you get the worksheet in hand to practice, you may have to follow the same. So capital D. Again we are starting from the below of the 1st line. D, make the loop, go up, there's your D, that's deer. You have to write two E's, touching the yellow and the blue, and make a loop for R. You have to make the loop for R, and there's a formation D-E-E-R, deer. The last word in the first line is den. Den is a even that letter also starts with capital letter. So below you have to start D, making the loop, going back to the red line and touching the other two lines, yellow and blue. From the blue, go to the yellow, come back to the blue, go up, come down, go up, come down, and there is a tail of N, and here you have the word den. D-E-N, den. Here you have the next word, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now what's a capital formation of the letter E? Even this particular capital letter starts in between the red and the yellow. That's the first and second line. Make a small loop. It's just how you write small e without touching the front tail. You have to start writing E. Understood? So, even that should be slanted because it's cursive letters. E. The second loop touching the yellow line and the blue line. You have A touching the yellow line, coming to the blue, again touching the blue. You have G, go to the yellow line, make a curve, come down, go up and go straight down to the green line, making the loop for G, loop for L, come down, touch the yellow and the blue, and there is the word eagle. Next you have bear. It's a wild animal. Even B, just as we have written D, starts not from the first line, just below the first line. You have to start just beneath the first line. You have to start writing capital letter B. Come down slantingly to the third blue line. Go up straight to the red line, making curve, touching the blue. Again making a big curve, and there's a curve inside. So that is capital letter B. I'll show you once more. Just beneath the first line, you have to start slantingly down, go straight to the red, curve, the second curve, and the third curve becomes your beautiful B. As we have written before, touching the yellow and the blue lines, E, touching the yellow and blue A, go straight up to yellow, make the curve for R, touching the blue line R. B-E-A-R, bear. The second last word is beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Here we are just going to brush up with the small letter B. The half portion of L you have to write first. From the blue line, go up to the red, come down slantingly, and then you have to make a curve and a loop. So here is your curve and your loop becomes your beautiful fluffy B. Start with E-A-C-H. Start with E. E. A touching the yellow, coming down. Again make a curve touching the yellow, coming down. Go up to the red line, come down to the blue, touching the yellow. The last letter H makes the word beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. The last word is brain. Oh, even here we are going with the small letters. So, small letter B. Go up to the red line, crossing the yellow, starting from the blue, coming down, making the loop, curve, again a loop, and then R, and then come down, form the letter A by touching the lines, yellow and blue, come down, again go up, come down to the blue, go up, come down, go up, come down, and the tail for N, and ending with a dot, making the word, framing the word brain. brain, brain. So that's all for today. Please revise these words. Write a lot of times. Take your own time. Thank you.